And I am recording.
Who's in there?
I didn't really do much.
Yeah. I would write an observation.
You ought to see the video of it while you poke it.
Yeah.
So try and poke again.
Here, you took off your gloves.
And what's really crazy is sometimes they float and when you feed them, they'll eat.
I don't know if it's moving because it looks like the water is doing that.
Yeah. Alright, put it back in the light.
No response.
Put it back into the light.
Alright, should we take the pipettes? Observe and describe it.
Take the
Do you
pipette.
think it can see me? It's not really reacting to when we poke it. But then again, it does move really slowly, so...
Yeah, let's just wait.
He said we can use the pipette tips to poke it.
Okay, what are our observations?
I'm just gonna poke it again.
Yeah.
And so this is to describe what he did when fed. So, if you want to actually see him, see what he does.
It's not really moving.
Yeah.
Do you think he's upside down?
Might be.
Should I flip it over? I'm gonna flip it over.
I think he used his mouth.
That may have been it. Now try it. Just hold it in. I know sea anemones. See, now he's closing down on it. Close down a little.
Oh, now we see some reaction. It's
Yep.
like retracting its tentacles.
Yep. So we basically had him upside down.
Oops.
Did you look at him?
Oh, they'll reattach themselves to the bottom of the petri dish. Yeah, now he's curling up.
That's fine.
Now try and get some of the food in. The brine shrimp. Got some around the tentacles.
Yeah, there's some around it. Okay, now it just looks dead.
You killed him.
Thank you, kill Kenny.
You bastard.
What strain do you guys have? Endo?
Yeah, 607 endo.
Can you guys please write down